Hello everyone, I am Magandam and today I'm going to share with you my classroom floor plan for grade 6 students guided by the DepEd guidelines in classroom structuring. So I've carefully gone through the provided DepEd guidelines and they have been instrumental in shaping my approach to designing an effective and student-friendly classroom. So this is the external structure. As you can see, there are two doors labeled entrance and exit for organized entry and exit here. So entrance and exit, aligning with DepEd guidelines. So additionally, I've placed grade level, section, and teacher's name on the entrance door here. So the exit door posted the class program at eye level so that the students can be able to read and see it. There's also the garbage bin outside to maintain cleanliness outside the classroom. This is my classroom, my external structure. Moving on to the internal structure, as what DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte says that the classroom must free from any distraction. So following DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte's recommendation for a clean and distraction-free environment to enhance students' focus, I just included the important or the needs of the students and teachers. So there is dual doors for entrance and exit for organized entry and exit of the students and teacher. There's board at the front with a central TV for optimal visibility, ensuring all students can easily see and engage with instructional content. So the garbage bin inside to encourage students to maintain cleanliness and proper waste disposal. So there is also teacher's table in front and advisor's table at the back for the teacher's convenience to place their things for teaching process. So there is also teacher storage located beside the advisor's table for easy access to teaching materials. There's also students and books shelves, module storage at the back, designed for organizational purposes, providing designated spaces for students' belongingness, books, and learning materials. So each element is purposely positioned to create an environment that adheres to educational guidelines, promotes safety, and supports effective teaching and learning. That's all. Thank you.